Hello from Slovenia again. I got this kind of wooden Christmas ornaments, and I will do some different techniques, show you. If you will find some of them interesting, this will be kind of a double dip, you know, when you squish two together, and then we can do some on the just a regular dip. And I will just use some paints that I have here, and I will add this Pebeo iridescent precious gold here for a background. Spread it with my palette knife. Okay, second one. Oop. You can, you know, tear them apart different ways as you like. Oop. So let's just this was pearl white, and I have permanent blue violet by Amsterdam, and I will add a little bit of magenta. Maybe just one gold line. Okay. And now I will squeeze them together. Okay. I will tear them apart. Okay. This is one way. Let's torch this real quick. Put them aside. And I will add some gold here on the surface, like that. And I will go with some magenta first this time, like that. Some pearl white and some permanent blue violet. Okay, and I will just dip it, and then when this will dry I will dip it on the other side too, because you can have them like, you know, I did the first two, that they will be like for some, that I can write something on the back. And I will leave that one kind of straight up. I just put some Prussian blue from Amsterdam, pearl white and a iridescent blue-green in this cup, just to switch colors a little bit. So here they are. Few techniques. This is double dip. This is just a dip that you can just go, and this is the scrape off paint from the dip and just do some ribbon pours, and this is ragged ring pour. This is just a ring pour, and this one is my favorite. It's a flip cup. Totally gorgeous. I will definitely use this technique for do a set of them, but those I can, you know, write a note on the back and not tape it, not tied it with on some Christmas gifts, because it is a little piece of art. It's not just, you know. Okay, I hope that you got some ideas for Christmas decorations, and see you on the next one. Bye!